If you use Linux on a desktop, you don't have to use it entirely as the command line interface. There are many desktop environments made for Linux that allow you to have a full graphical user interface. Unlike Windows or macOS, you can choose and install any desktop environment you want. You can also have multiple desktop environments installed on a single system. This video is made to be good for people who are new to Linux. So if you don't know what a desktop environment is, I'll explain it to you. A desktop environment is the whole graphical user interface that runs on top of an operating system. Desktop environments bundle many software, like window managers, file managers, and pre-installed utilities to create a visual workspace. Here are the key components of desktop environments. Window managers, which control how app windows are opened, closed, moved, and resized. File managers, which allow you to browse and organize files visually. User interface elements, which includes your desktop wallpaper, icons, taskbars, an app menu, and a system tray. Pre-installed software, like text editors and image viewers, which is built to match the environment's look and feel. On Windows and macOS, they essentially lock you into one specific layout, meaning you can't change or install a different desktop environment than those you see on the screen. On operating systems like Linux, you are allowed to freely choose and install different desktop environments. Here are a few examples of desktop environments. These are the desktop environments on Windows and macOS. These are two examples of the many desktop environments available in Linux, which are GNOME and KDE Plasma. On Linux, you can find, choose, and install many different desktop environments. Linux has many desktop environments made for it. The most popular ones include GNOME, KDE Plasma, Xfce, and Cinnamon. There is no single best desktop environment, as they differ depending on your needs. Now, let's see the Linux desktop environments in detail. GNOME. This desktop environment features a modern, touch-friendly layout and is customizable via extensions. It is good for modern laptops and two-in-one computers. It features global search, a menu for access to quick toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and media playback, a calendar and notifications, an app store, and extensibility with extensions. GNOME is the default in Ubuntu and Fedora. KDE Plasma. KDE Plasma is a highly customizable desktop environment that has an interface with modern widgets, advanced search capabilities, and deep system level controls. It comes with many tools like one called Discover Software Center that lets you install apps, manage Flatpaks, and apply system updates. KDE Connect, which syncs your Android or iOS phone to your Linux desktop, a screenshot tool that can extract text from images, and more. It's default on Ubuntu and KDE Neon. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a modern and customizable desktop created by the team behind Linux Mint. Its layout looks kind of similar to Windows 7 and 10. It features customizable panels, interactive updates for your panels, repositories that allows users to browse and install extensions and themes, and advanced window management. It is a flagship for Linux Mint. Xfce. Xfce is a lightweight and fast desktop environment. It consumes minimal system resources, making it great for older computers. It features high customizability, a highly configurable panel, advanced window management, and lightweight pre-installed apps like Xfce Terminal and Mousepad Text Editor. It is featured as the default in Ubuntu. LXQt. LXQt is another lightweight desktop environment that is great for older hardware. It's slightly lighter than Xfce. LXQt features customizable panels, an advanced file manager, great power management, and built-in Wayland support. It's available as the default in Ubuntu. There are other desktop environments other than the ones we mentioned. These include, but are not limited to, Mate, Budgie, Cosmic, and Pension. Which desktop environment should you use? If you want a highly customizable layout similar to Windows, you can try KDE Plasma. If you prefer a minimalist, distraction-free environment optimized for modern productivity, you can try GNOME. If you wanted to switch from Windows to a modern environment, then Cinnamon is best for you. If you have an older computer or want a system that uses less RAM and CPU, then Xfce or LXQt is for you. For GNOME, you can try it with Ubuntu or Fedora. For KDE Plasma, you can try it with Ubuntu or KDE Neon. For Cinnamon, try it with Linux Mint. For Xfce, try Ubuntu. For LXQt, try Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll find the desktop environment you want. Bye.